Hello, my name is Megan, and I'm going to take you through a 10-minute meditation today to help you get centered for the task ahead, or for your day ahead, or to just bring a quiet moment to your day. But just a reminder to silence any notifications on your phone or devices around you. And then taking a moment to get yourself really comfortable in your chair. Just feeling your back supported. And then whenever you're feeling ready, the invitation is to gently close down your eyes. Just allowing yourself to draw inwards and fully arriving in your space. And just noticing how you're feeling today and in this moment. And just accepting any thoughts or feelings as they are. And as best as possible, just allowing them to be there and making space for them. And letting go of any expectations you may have for this meditation. There's nothing here to be achieved. And just allowing yourself to be here in this moment. So I invite you now to tune in to your external landscape. Just noticing any sounds that are inside your room. Just allowing yourself to receive the sounds as they arrive. And then expanding your awareness as you receive sounds coming to you from outside your room. And then expanding your awareness even further as you receive sounds coming to you from far away. And now using your sense of smell, just taking any scents or any fragrances in the air around you. And noticing if there are any tastes lingering inside your mouth, maybe left over from a meal or a snack. And behind your closed eyelids, just noticing what you can see. Any patches of lightness or darkness, shapes or patterns. And then noticing your body sitting in your chair, just feeling the sensation where your body makes contact with the chair beneath you and on your back behind you. Noticing the textures of the clothing on your skin. Noticing how different fabrics create different sensations. noticing the temperature of the air against your face or any exposed skin. I invite you now to take in the senses all at once, just experiencing them as they are in this moment. Releasing your senses as your anchor, I invite you now to rest your awareness on the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Maybe feeling the air flowing in and out of your nostrils, and the rise and fall of your chest or your belly. And just finding the sensation where you most feel the sensation of the breath. Just resting your awareness there. You're just an observer to your breath, just witnessing it entering and leaving the body without controlling it in any way. Just whenever you happen to realize that your mind has drifted away to thoughts, which is very normal, just gently returning your awareness to rest on the sensation of your breath. I invite you now to deepen your breath, just taking in a few deep breaths as you become aware of your body and sitting on the chair, feeling your feet on the ground and becoming aware of your surroundings once more. Just taking a moment to notice how you're feeling. Just noticing if you're feeling a little more calm, a little more peaceful. I invite you to simply set your intentions to carry these feelings with you into the rest of your day. And just let the last thing be whenever you're ready. open your eyes. And thank you for sharing this mini meditation with me today.